It's me, Liz Yuille. Welcome to another Simple Stamping Saturday, the day where I take one project and make it 3 ways, a very simple version and then 2 stepped up versions. And today I'm using retiring product, but at a great saving. So this is the perfect way to start your crafting experience. So let me flip the camera down and we'll have a look. So let me just, lights would be useful. Always a plan. That's better. Right, so this is the set that I'm using today. It's called Covered in Sunshine. It's red rubber. Full price would be £22, but it's currently half price and still, or in Europe, in English, it's half price, and it is still available. When I'm recording this, it is still available. As ever, I'm going to use a note card and envelope for our really simple version, and today I'm using just one ink pad for this version. So, and it happens to be Starry Sky because I'm using the May the dreams you hold, dearest, come true, and the kindness that you share come back to you. So that felt star-like, and I've also used these shooting star images here. So again, it seemed kind of sensible to use Starry Sky. So that is what I have done. Right, let me show you what I have actually done. So this is the envelope. It's got the smaller of the 2 shooting stars on it. And this is the card. Really clean and simple, just ink and card. That's it. So let me show you how it is made. So my Starry Sky ink pad, this is one of the colours that is carrying over. It's an in colour. It will retire this time next year. So we have another year to enjoy using it. And it really is a lovely, lovely, rich, deep blue. It's perfectly named. I'm actually going to go up slightly. There we go. The key to this is to stamp straight. And now that the Stamparatus has sadly had to go, it's just a question of load, aim and fire. Fortunately, that does look reasonably straight. So I'm going to take my small shooting star and have that going that way. I'm going to use that again, but on my envelope. And this is my large shooting star. And that's going to go that way. That is the card. The video is currently 3 minutes long. So that is the card. It really is incredibly quick to make, but none the worse for that. It is a really pretty card and would be great to send to graduates, that sort of thing, that sort of person. Anyone who's starting out on something and has got big dreams, I think that would be perfect. So that is my first card. Let me fold that so that it is a card and burnish. So this is the one we just made. This is the one I made before. They are very similar. They're not exactly the same, but they are incredibly similar. So let me show you what I have done for my first stepped up version. This uses the stitched rectangles, which may not now be in stock in Europe, but I have used the 3 largest of the stitched rectangles. I've cut the sentiment image into a hexagon, yes, 6 sides. I put lots of stars on the background, and I've added some of the, I don't know if they're going to catch, iridescent pearls, which are carrying over. The standard pearls, the ones we've had for many, many years, have retired and have gone now in Europe, but the iridescent pearls are carrying over. So I've used those. And for my final version, I've kind of gone all out. So this is, again, using those same stitch rectangles, but I've used a frame and then used the piece from the frame as the background. I've heat embossed some silver stars. I've heat embossed this piece, which is on the surface of the window sheet, because this is window sheet. I've heat embossed this in silver like I did the stars, but I heat embossed it again in white so that I could pick out Dreams Come True. So yeah, and use lots of shaker bits. These happen to be, I want to say Sparkle and Shine. I think they were in the last mini, not the one that's retiring now, but the one before. But any sequins would be perfect in there, you know, particularly if you've got some that are white or silver stars, that would be perfect. So those are my 3 cards. So one really quick, easy, simple, using just an ink pad and a stamp with a note card and envelope. This is just an ink pad and a stamp, but we've used more card and we've introduced the iridescent pearls. And then this one, full-blown shaker card. Great fun, and I have to say I really enjoyed making these. So I hope you've enjoyed that. If you did, a thumbs up is always welcome. Let me just come up properly and say goodbye properly. So thank you very much indeed for joining me on Simple Stamping Saturday. There'll be a link below in the description bar to the post that goes with this. There'll be proper photographs of the projects that I've made and a list of the items that I've used with the correct price for pounds sterling, so that you know exactly what you're looking at. So thank you very much again. Have a lovely weekend. I've got quite a busy weekend coming up, so it should be great fun seeing lots of people. So I hope you have an equally fun weekend, and I'll see you again very soon. Until then, bye for now.